So I've got you guys another video, but today it's not with my iPod, but with my PC, and I'm going to show you guys how to play Android apps on your PC, which is going to be done by a program called BlueStacks App Player. The link will be in the description, and it should bring you to this. And then you're just going to want to click download now. And it's going to say thanks for downloading. But you get this BlueStacks thin installer. You're going to want to save it or run it, whichever one you rather do. But I just save it then open it. But if this doesn't work, if this download right here doesn't work, which mine didn't, you're just going to want to click try a different type of installer here and click that. It's quite a bit bigger. However, it did work for me when I used this one. So if the first thing that comes up doesn't work, just go ahead and use that one. It should work. And once it's done installing, you should get a program that looks like this, but it'll be open. I'll show you. It'll look like this. And what I did was just click this, which hides it and puts it over there. And this is basically what it looks like. And there's the apps. Most of those come default except for those two right there. But basically you're just going to want to... I'm going to open that back up real quick. You're just going to want to either, if you just want to use one of these right here, any of these are usable that come default with it. And you can just open one, which I will show you an app after this. But first I'm going to show you how to get them. You can go to popular downloads for start, and you could do any of these, and those would work. Or you could just go to app stores, and you can open the Amazon App Store. You do have to have a phone connected with your Amazon account to use that. And I'm not sure about this one, and this one I'm pretty sure works. So either way, those work, and you can I'll just open one up real quick. And you can just click like games, and there's all your games, and you can just I'll download one real quick. There's where I got Angry Birds Space from. If I just open up, I'll go with Seasons. Just click to download. I don't know that there's a way to show that it's how much of it's downloaded, but if you just wait a little bit, it's going through this right now. It's just got the X thing through it. It should download and come up with an install in a little bit, and here it is. Here's what it'll look like, network communication, and you can just let it do that, and then just click install, and then I'm just going to click done. Now I'm going to go back and show you one of these. If I wanted to get Angry Birds Rio, I'll just go ahead and click on that, and it downloads it like that rather than going into one of those things. And you can see how much of it's downloaded. And I'm just going to let that do its thing. Go to my apps. And it's not. Alright, I'm going to click right here. Brings you home. I'll show you a couple settings you can change first. I guess I have to wait for this to finish. If I click on the show menu, that's not what I want it to be on. I'm just going to go home. Now you have settings here. Change keyboard settings. I'm not going to go into any of that. And you have show menu, which I don't really know what that does. I think that's on the games to show the menu. But I'm going to go ahead. I'll open Angry Birds Space. If I just click on it, it'll run it. Brings up that. You can full screen this. Nah, I'm not going to do that. But it looks like you can go bigger. You just... Either way, who cares? Control or control minus. To zoom in and out. Alright. It's loading. And I have played some games on this, and I will say it is very, very, very slight lag. That was on Fruit Ninja. So I haven't played Angry Birds Space yet. So we'll see how the lag is on this. But on the other, it was quite a bit laggy. And here it is. And I'm going to turn the sound off settings. Sound's off. Alright. And I can just click play. And I mean, you don't have to do anything special. Your mouse just works. Click Piggy Bank. I've already beat this on my Mac, actually. Click play. And it'll do this. But I mean, this is just the game. You can figure this out. And I can just... So, I mean, I can tell there's a little bit of a lag. I think even a little bit more than Fruit Ninja. However, I mean, it's really slight. I mean, it's not even really annoying. And I'm just going to hit the thing directly. Bam, he's dead. And I guess this is a kind of a review on Angry Birds again, Space on this. But there's many other games you can get. So go ahead, download this, play your Android apps. You can connect it with your phone to get all the apps that are on your phone. So thanks for watching. Like the video, comment, follow me on Twitter, and subscribe.